Hi, I'm Jessie Whitish with Kentucky Youth Advocates. We at Kentucky Youth Advocates are the independent voice for kids in Frankfort, and that's really important this time of year, because with the new year comes the beginning of a new legislative session. Kentucky Youth Advocates, along with many partners across the state, including Prevent Child Abuse Kentucky, is advocating for good policies for kids with the Blueprint for Kentucky's Children. The Blueprint is a coalition of nonprofit, public, and private organizations that speaks with a common voice to create brighter futures for Kentucky kids. The Blueprint stands on 3 pillars. Thriving communities launch strong families launch successful kids, and successful kids launch a prosperous future for Kentucky. Every year, the Blueprint publishes a policy agenda, and you can see the 2018 policy priorities on our website at kyouth.org. Like Prevent Child Abuse Kentucky, we at Kentucky Youth Advocates believe that it is vital to keep kids safe from abuse and neglect and respond effectively to those families who need help. You can see that in this year's Blueprint for Kentucky's Children policy agenda, as a number of the priorities relate to child abuse prevention and intervention. If you're watching this, you may be wondering how you too can be an advocate for kids in Frankfort. How can you encourage your elected officials to make kids a priority in their decisions? You have a huge opportunity to do so coming up on Thursday, January 18th. That is the 14th annual Children's Advocacy Day at the Capitol, where hundreds of advocates, both adults and youth, will join together to ask leaders to put kids first. The rally begins at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, followed by committee meetings, policy info sessions, meetings with legislators, and more throughout the day. If you would like to lift your voice on behalf of Kentucky kids, please join hundreds of other Kentuckians doing the same thing on January 18th at Children's Advocacy Day. For more information and to register, please visit our website at kyouth.org. While you're on our website, you can sign up to receive email action alerts so that you know when and how to contact your elected officials as bills relating to the Blueprint for Kentucky's Children policy priorities move throughout the session. We also have a bill tracker where you can follow the progress of those bills. Thank you for being advocates for Kentucky kids, and I look forward to seeing you at Children's Advocacy Day.